Three maidens to milking did go. 3 maidens to milking did go. And the wind it did blow high, and the wind it did blow low, and it tossed the milking pails to and fro. I met with a man I knew well. I met with a man I knew well, and I kindly asked of him if he had got any skills for to catch me a small bird or two. Oh yes, I got some excellent good skills. Oh yes, I got some excellent good skills. Now come along with me down to yonder shady tree, and I'll catch thee a small bird or two. Then he set her up against a green tree. Then he set her up against a green tree. He tapped at the bush, and the little bird flew out right into her lily white breast. As luck to the blackbird and thrush, as luck to the blackbird and thrush. It's a bird of one feather, and we'll all flock together, that the people say little or much. As luck to the jolly dragoon, as luck to the jolly dragoon. We'll ramble all the day, and at night we'll spend our play, and go home by the light of the moon.